Hello, today I'm going to show you guys how to make an origami paper crane. First, we start off by folding our square piece of paper diagonally. Then we do the same on the other side. Now fold your square in hamburger style. Do the same to the other side. This part is a little complicated. You want to flip your paper for it to look like a diamond. Then you'll grab the two sides and fold them inward. Now you want to press down everything so you end up with a smaller diamond. Now, making sure the bottom is the open side and the top is the closed side, you want to grab the corner of a diamond and fold it inwards. Do the same to the other side. Now flip over your piece and do the same. Now we have a kite. We're going to grab the top half of the kite and fold it down. Do it on both sides. Now we open up the kite. Now we open up the kite and fold in the outer edges. Now fold back down and do the same to the other side. Make sure the tops are folded up and flip them around. Now we're going to do the same thing and make another smaller kite. Do the same to the other side. Now we're going to fold up the bottom of our kite. Now fold the other way. pull out the wings of the crane. I bend the tail in half. I bend the head towards the top. Now this is optional, but you could fold down your wings to make it look like it's flying. And there you have it. You have a paper crane. I hope you guys enjoyed and now understand how to make one. Have fun!